Bitcoin Pepe is an ecosystem transforming Bitcoin. Hello crypto enthusiasts, remember Solaxy and XYZ were once named two of the hottest pre-sale of the year. Solaxy raised an impressive $30 million, while XYZ raised an impressive $13 million. Both figures mark successful launches with any kind of upside, but in May of 2025 there were yesterday's news. Meet Bitcoin's Pepe, the new Bitcoin Layer 2 based solution. Bitcoin Pepe is generating significant buzz in the crypto community. Bitcoin Pepe works to change the Bitcoin narrative from a passive store of value to an active layer that facilitates decentralized applications and token ecosystems. The project brings smart contracts to Bitcoin, enabling features normally reserved for blockchains such as Solana and Ethereum. At the core is a proprietary decentralized exchange. The proprietary PEP20 token standard and a low-cost, high-speed transaction support infrastructure. Unlike conventional meme coins running on current chains, Bitcoin Pepe proposes to build an entire Tier 2 ecosystem built around meme-centric activity. This tier integrates Bitcoin's security model while allowing direct creation and sale of tokens, eliminating the use of bridges, which is one of often awakening infrastructure between chains. I can say that Bitcoin Pepe is doing a complete rebuild of Bitcoin's capabilities from the ground up. It combines best-in-class Bitcoin security with Solana-style execution, which means traders can get the best of both worlds, maximum security and near-instant settlement with transaction worthy of fraction of a cent. Bitcoin Pepe creates a complete feature set to fuel the upcoming meme revolution. Unlike Ethereum, where gas commissions continue to drive away retail investors, or Solana, where the playground is dominated by insider cartels, Bitcoin Pepe levels the playing field. It combines the low commissions and speed of Solana with the trust and consistency of Bitcoin. Bitcoin Pepe is speaking and solidifying its position in the space by announcing partnership with dozen projects. Bitcoin Pepe wastes no time, and after announcing the completion of the pre-sale, they have launched convertible rail partnerships with a solid project from the meme space as well as DeFi and tech. And Bitcoin Pepe showcases the solid face of the brand. Alan is the Chief Community Officer and Tasfir is the Head of Partnerships. Both have really solid experience in the field and have worked with T1 projects. This new hire also explains the strong new steps the project has taken in terms of partnerships and community revitalization. The new faces of the brand bring a lot of exciting and energy to the project, and their experience is put to the best use. Based on all of the above, it's easy to see that Bitcoin Pepe has become the best cryptocurrency to invest in today and the most exciting investment proposition currently available in this space. And the best part is the bridge that opens up two-way street between the locked-in and idle BTC caption and all of the assets of Bitcoin Pepe. The $1.6 trillion of liquidity has been locked to idle with no outlet, though speculation is about to get a wake-up call. If Bitcoin Pepe captures even 1% of that liquidity, it will eclipse all of the top Solana meme coins overnight. Buying BPEP today is a way for investors to get ahead of this market migration. The project-owned token BPEP operates on tiered pre-sale model with 30 tiers, each of which increases the token price by 5%. The total supply is reportedly capped at 2.1 billion tokens, which is in line with Bitcoin's supply architecture. All of this supply is allocated to public investors, and the remaining supply is split between staking fees, marketing and development, and liquidity. Phase 8 saw strong demand fueled by staking rewards advertised and 10,000% APY. However, the question remains whether these rates will be sustainable and continue to provide momentum post-launch. Comparisons to giants like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu becomes inevitable, but Bitcoin Pepe offers something more. It's not just a token that lives on someone else's blockchain, it's a layer 2 infrastructure that complements and evolves Bitcoin itself. It's the first truly meme-centric layer 2 layer that doesn't need intermediaries or bridges to interact with its underlying BTC capital. This gives the project an advantage that is almost impossible to clone or replicate. The pre-sale model adopts a strategy of scarcity creation and incremental valuation, incentivizing early adoption. This strategy is reminiscent of older ICO models, which tend to use price appreciation to create FOMO. As the platform gains momentum, the economic activity it introduces could be a diversification of Bitcoin's use case in a store full of value. Bitcoin Pepe's own bridge will tap into Bitcoin's liquidity without requiring a third-party intermediary, an aspect that could appeal to security-sensitive investors. You don't need to hold a whole Bitcoin to be part of the next big shift. You just need to hold BPEP. Beyond the technology base, the community plays a major role. Bitcoin Pepe has an active, engaged, and organically growing community, the best indicator of the health and prospects of any Web3 project. Participants don't just buy tokens, they become part of a movement. These are not speculations who come and go, these are people who believe in the meme and technology and the power of collective action. The project has a very strong X activity, with articles about it appearing in well-known publications. Because the project is not just a meme, it's a strategy and a vast ecosystem. Particularly newsworthy is the way Bitcoin Pepe uses meme culture. Memes are not just jokes, they are cultural markers that bring people together and create an emotional connection. And Bitcoin Pepe uses this tool skillfully, creating a brand that is easy to remind and evokes positive associations. At the same time, there is a serious technology behind the meme, which turns the project into a rare hybrid, entertaining on the outside and high-tech on the inside. Bitcoin Pepe is not just an opportunity for short-term profit, but a long-term asset with real utilitarian value. This is an opportunity to be at the forefront of the next wave of blockchain innovation. I'm sure that in a few months the market will not be talking about the next generation meme, but about the new standard of crypto platform, inspired by culture and straightened by technology. So the Bitcoin Pepe presale is coming to an end. This is your last chance to participate. Do not miss your chance and do not waste time before it's too late. Are you still feeling FOMO at the thought of your missed investments in Arbitrum or BNB? If so, then you definitely do not want to miss this project.